Here we go. Turbos. 2-box break. 2012 Topps Tribute Baseball. So, good luck to you, buddy. So let's get you some big hits, buddy. Alright, Space Cards. Troy Tulowitzki, Johnny Bench, Reggie Jackson, and a David Freese, number /299. World Series hero. And numbered 5 of 10. Debut digits, game used bat, red refractor, Al Kaline. 5 of 10 bat, Al Kaline. Tidy little start there. Pack 2. All right. We've got Ken Griffey Jr., Mike Stanton, Tom Seaver, and a green refractor, numbered 5 of 75, Bob Feller. And an autograph, number 24 of 99, Albert Bell. Albert Bell. 3. All right. Starlin Castro, Paul Molitor, Dustin Pedroia. And we've got a 1-of-1 cyan printing plate, Rod Carew. Rod Carew, 1-of-1 cyan printing plate. Nice. And we've got an autograph, number 98 of 99, Nathan Eovaldi. Pack 4. All right, Prince Fielder, Rod Carew, Bob Feller, and a red refractor, numbered 1 of 5, Larry Doby. 1 of 5. Wow. And we've got a position of power dual jersey, numbered 76 of 99, Prince Fielder. Prince Fielder. All right, pack 5. So far, so good. Ah, boo. Frank Thomas, CC Sabathia, Babe Ruth, a blue refractor, number /199, Roberto Clemente. And we got a redemption for a tribute autograph gold parallel, Aramis Ramirez. Nice. Tribute autograph gold, Aramis Ramirez. Don't remember what that's number 2 off the top of my head. Yeah, final pack from box 1. Looks like a patch. Ryan Howard, Cliff Lee. We got an orange refractor, numbered 30 of 50, Mike Napoli. Okay, so apparently the Ramirez is at a 15. And nice. A prime patches, game used patch. Number 23 of 24, 2 colors, Clayton Kershaw. Clayton Kershaw, number 24. Well, successful box is successful. On to box 2. After that, I gotta empty out my cardboard bin. To do that. $370, Dan. All right. Pack 1, box 2. We've got Clayton Kershaw, Mark Teixeira, Brooks Robinson, and a gold refractor, number /299, Miguel Cabrera. Miggy. And we've got an autograph. Oh, nice. Number 28 of 99, Dustin Pedroia. Dustin Pedroia autograph out of 99. Too bad it's a Red Sox. At least it's a decent one. All right, John Smoltz, Ian Kennedy, Ryan Sandberg, and number /299, gold refractor, Reggie Jackson. And numbered 38 of 50, position of power, dual jersey, blue, Carlos Gonzalez. Carlos Gonzalez. Pack 3. Yay. Alright, Josh Hamilton, Albert Bell, Duke Snyder, Gold Refractor number to 299, Yogi Berra. And we've got another redemption. This one is for a tribute autograph. Mike Moustakas. Mike Moustakas autograph. Number to 99. Pack 4. Yogi Berra. Red Schoendienst. Schoendienst? Yeah, probably screwed that up. Michael Young. Gold Refractor number to 299, Starlin Castro. And we've got a game-used bat numbered 19 of 99. The Hammer, Josh Hamilton. Josh Hamilton, bat to 99. Pack 5. All right. Lou Brock, Robinson Cano, Larry Doby. Of course, the one guy I can't pronounce. Blue Refractor, numbered 199, Red Schoendienst. Probably screwed that up. And we've got an autograph Blue Refractor, number 3450, the Kung Fu Panda, Pablo Sandoval. Pablo Sandoval. Final pack, buddy. All right, Roy Halladay, Eddie Matthews, Paul Molitor. And we've got and the Paul Molitor is a Gold Refractor number to 299. And we've got a 2-color Prime Patches, numbered 8 of 24, Doc Gooden. Doc Gooden, 2-color patch. Nice way to finish for you there, buddy. Successful break is successful.